Hi guys, in this tutorial we're going to explain and demonstrate how to create and add a clear spot color to a CMYK layout. We're only going to add that clear spot color to the maple syrup. Before we mask off the areas in our layout, we need to create a new color swatch. With our document open, go to the color palette, click the top right corner, and select New Swatch. We'll name the swatch Clear with a capital C. That way the Pro C7100X will know exactly where to print the fifth color Clear. For color type, select Spot. For color mode, select CMYK. As for the color itself, we're going to select Solid Cyan to see exactly where the fifth color will print. If needed, we can modify the toner's density via the density slider, but we're going to use 100%. Before we draw our mask, we're going to create a new layer, just to keep things organized. When drawing the mask, I suggest using the pen tool to have greater control over your curves. Now with our mask completed, click Overprint Fill. If you don't click Overprint Fill, everything underneath will be blank, and only the fifth color will be printed. Now to double check the mask's edges and coverage, I'm going to use the multiply effect. Just be sure to turn it back to normal when finished. Now if we wanted to add any additional elements, such as this delicious graphic, all you need to do is select Clear and click Overprint Fill. Now we're ready to save our file. We're going to save it as a PDF using the Adobe preset PDFX4, the proper format. At this point we can also add document trim and bleed settings. Save your PDF, and you're ready to print.